Okay, so I get asked this question a lot. Google Project Manager Coursera course certificate. 1 year later, was it worth it? So let me tell you what I think. So I don't want to say I was one of the first people, but as soon as the Google Project Management course launched, I enrolled and started doing it. It's supposed to be a 6-month program. I have the video with the details about it linked below. And I did it in, I think, a month and a half. You can definitely accelerate it and you don't have to take 6 months to complete it. So what do I think about it now in retrospect? So Google said that it would consider that certificate equal to a 4-year college degree in their eyes, and that they had partnered with a ton of other employers that would consider that certificate also as good as a college certificate. Now, do I think that that's true? No, I don't think that has realized itself in that way. So I'm not sure if Google is trying to still push for that or if they're kind of abandoning that claim. But yeah, I really don't see this certificate or that line of certificates that they have replacing a 4-year college degree. You just can't get through job screenings without the check for a bachelor's degree in a lot of circumstances. So I would say that, in my opinion, this course is really not worth it unless you want to learn about project management in the workforce in the most basic terms, and you have your company pay for it. It's not that expensive. I think it's around $30 a month, but it is a big commitment. It's a big course. I mean, it can take you up to 6 months or longer. Basically, don't waste your time here. So instead of going through all of this, just go ahead and prepare for the CAPM test, which is the baby PMP. That test will get you more bang for your buck when it comes to just resume screening in general. It's a more prestigious certification, and people on LinkedIn and in job posts will say that they are hiring people with that certification specific. So yeah, unfortunately, Google definitely put a lot of money behind this certification and a lot of hard work, obviously, but it just is not panning out to be the make and break way to secure a position with other jobs, or definitely not at Google. So yeah, unfortunately, I would say do other things. If you want a project management certification, just get the CAPM if you don't qualify for the PMP. But if you qualify for the PMP, meaning that you have the required amount of time working as a project manager that they require for you to sit for the test, just go ahead and study for that, because that's the most prestigious certification that you can get. So yeah, best of luck on your PM journey.